Okay, good day guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now to those that are yet to subscribe, make sure you please click on the subscribe button, like and share. So let's take a look at GBP USD for the next day, which is for the 18th, right? So if you take a look at it first, you can see the trend on this GBP USD. This is clearly an uptrend move. We can see an higher highs and higher lows playing out. We can also see that this price is trading above this 10 period simple moving average. Then we kind of add like a pullback, which is a drop, which was traded below this moving average. Well, price has now corrected itself. So a new ice is forming. This new ice will be expecting to actually take out this ice on GBP USD. So basically, we will expect more ice on GBP USD. So basically, we actually had a bullish move for today. Let's see if GBP USD will also give us the bullish move for the next day. Let's see if we can make about 70 pips. I'm watching out for a target of 80 pips. The level that I will be watching out for on GBP USD for the next day is a level of 1.23393. I'll say it again, 1.23393. So that is the level that I will be watching out for, or even close to that level on GBP USD. Maybe if price can get to that level, maybe there will be a rejection at that level, or it will break above it. That should be able to reflect on the forward time frame. Well, by the way, we see that this ice has been broken, new ice has been made. I mean, take a look at it here. You can see that this GBP USD is an ice here, then a pullback. If you take a look at this, a new ice that took out the previous ice, and here happens to be a pullback. If you take a look at this again, a new ice that took out this previous ice and a pullback here. So let's see this GBP USD. A new ice has actually taken out this size, so we expect more bullish move up on GBP USD. Once it gets to that level that I just mentioned, which we will have to make about 70 to 80 pips to that level that I've mentioned previously, then I would expect a pullback on this GBP USD. So basically, that is what I am watching out for on GBP USD for the next day.